So what I have done here is today we'll just be seeing only the trading tree calls. Earlier we used to post both trading tree and futures tree, but today we'll just be seeing only the trading tree calls. So this is a charting application wherein it works on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is your trading platform here, and we get the data from Shareguru. It's a third-party data service. So you can open all the charts that you want to trade before the market opens, as I've done. And you don't need to open these many charts. You can always open the charts that you want to trade. So it's my habit that I keep tracking all the calls. So I have opened somewhere around 70 to 80 charts. Now, in case if you want to trade on only few charts, you can just trade. I mean, you can just only open them, and then you can just wait for your calls. So here we have the buy and the sell signals, which are automatically generated, and that comes with a voice alert, voice pop-up alert, that you'll be seeing it in a short time as the market opens. So other than this, we have the uh, various levels, that is the support and resistance levels, and you have the trailing stop loss line. The red horizontal line, what you are seeing is the trailing stop loss line. So whenever you get a signal, that is whenever call is generated on this particular trading tree, you'll have to place your order on the terminal. So you'll have to place the order manually, but you should be getting all the calls here. Now we'll wait for another 3 minutes, and in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. I'll be able to answer you. So you'll be able to trade in equity, that is the cash market. You'll be able to trade in futures. Options, you'll be able to trade only in Nifty and Bank Nifty options. But otherwise, I will tell you how to. Otherwise, I will tell you how to even trade in options, even stock options also. एंड आपके पास कमोडिटीज भी हैं एमसीएक्स के, जो भी कमोडिटी मार्केट में आप काम करना चाहते हैं तो वो भी मिल जाएगा आपको. नाउ वी हैव एग्री कमोडिटीज और करेंसी और फॉरेक्स भी है. करेंसी इन द सेंस आपको इंडियन पेयर्स, दैट इज एनएसई में या एमसीएक्स में जो होता है, एमसीएक्स एफएक्स में, एसएक्स में सॉरी, यूएसडी आईएनआर, जीबीपी आईएनआर, यूरो आईएनआर, जेपीवाई आईएनआर, ये चलता है. तो इतने सेगमेंट्स में आप काम कर सकते हो, इनकेस आपको काम करना हो तो. नहीं तो आप सिर्फ एफ एंड ओ भी कर सकते हो. तो विल जस्ट वेट फॉर अनदर 1 मिनट. 1 मिनट में आपको 9:15 को 9:15 यहाँ पे आपको डेटा आ जाएगी. डेटा ऑलरेडी इसमें कनेक्टेड है, मैंने कनेक्ट किया हुआ है. यू कैन सी दैट ये शेयर गुरु का कनेक्शन जो ग्रीन कलर में दिख रहा है वो कनेक्टेड बटन है. सो कुछ कॉल्स थे, कल के कॉल्स कुछ ऐसे थे, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. तो ये 2 दिन का जो मैंने बनाया हुआ था वो दिखा रहा हूँ. आज ये जो ब्लू में दिख रहा है आपको वो इंट्राडे मार्जिन्स है हमारे तरफ से, हमारे ब्रोकर की तरफ से. तो इतने मार्जिन में आप एक लॉट कर सकते हो. सो अब ऑलरेडी डेटा आ रहा है. तो देखिए आपको डेटा यहाँ से आ रही है और आपके चार्ट्स यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली रिफ्रेश होता रहेगा. अभी कोई कॉल जनरेट होगा तो आप देख सकते हैं वॉइस अलर्ट आएगी और पॉपअप भी आएगा, उसके हिसाब से आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो. मैंने ऑलरेडी कुछ कॉल्स मेरा प्राइसिंग रेडी है, तो अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाएगी बाई कॉल्स बाई वो जो कॉल्स हैं वो सब ट्रिगर हो जाएंगे। अगर मार्केट नीचे जाएगी तो ये सेल कॉल्स जो मैं शॉर्ट लगाई है वो सब ट्रिगर हो जाएगा आपको। So ALBK I have put it as a short. So 104.20 is my price. Sorry, that is a buy price. ALBK you can short it at 101.90. You can see that we already have a sell call which is continuing from yesterday. उस सेम कॉल को आपको स्लाइटली आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है 109 सॉरी 101, so 102 पे आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हो ALBK फॉर अ स्मॉल प्रॉफिट ऑफ लेट्स से टिल 101.33। ये आपका R2 लाइन है, वहां पे शॉर्ट कर सकते हो। So seems like market is coming down. So ये चार्ट्स मैंने ऑलरेडी 10 मिनट के टाइम के हिसाब से रखा हुआ है। 10 मिनट यानी कि इंट्राडे के लिए है, और अगर आप पोजिशनल करना चाहते हो तो 30 मिनट्स में लगा के कर सकते हो। तो 10 मिनट्स का मतलब ये है, आपको जब भी कॉल आएगा एवरी 10 मिनट्स को आपको पॉपअप आएगी जब कॉल जनरेट होती है। यूपीएल मैंने शॉर्ट की है 503.30 पे, आपको एक बार दिखाता हूँ। So, आपकी कॉल यहाँ पे ट्रिगर हो जाती है। तो यूपीएल शॉर्ट था 503.30, तो गैप डाउन था। So now it is at 496.50. Tata Steel I have a short, Tata Power I have a short. I'll show you those calls. So you can actually decide all the prices that you want to trade either on the buy side or the sell side before the market opens. That is the advantage what you have. So let's start Tata Power. You can just see that I had a short at 73.90. Now it is at 73.55. Tata Steel. And don't worry about the buy calls, what I have put, that anyway you will get the calls, calls will start get generated at 9:20. So that's Tata Steel short. I put it at 376.60. So
there is a sell call in ADN. There is a sell call in ADN There is a sell call in AMBUJACDM1. There is a sell call in ABHIM1. There is a sell call in Addons1. There is a sell call in XISBRAN. There is a sell call in BAFKBAROBA1. There is a sell call in BAFJIMBIA1. There is a sell call in BAFQNIFTB1. There is a cell call in BHARABFORG1. There is a cell call in BHEL1. There is a cell call in SIRINDURY3X. There is a cell call in Karen1. There is a cell call in SIRINDURY. There is a cell. 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 There is a cell call. There is a cell call in IDC1.
So आप ये confused मत होना। See, I have opened around 70 or 80 chats, so that is how you'll be getting the calls. in case there are calls. Now you don't have to get confused with this, because in case if you are trading in 20 or 30 scripts only, you'll be very comfortable doing that. So now जो भी calls आए हुए हैं इनका पूरा मेरे पास पूरा रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पे रहता है अलर्ट्स में। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो भी कॉल्स जनरेट हुआ है अभी तक सुबह से 10 मिनट के अंदर आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएगा। अभी आपको ट्रेड्स बताता हूँ मैं। एसीसी अदानी पोर्ट्स ऑलरेडी आपका ट्रिगर हुआ है, यहाँ पे प्लेस कर सकते हो कॉल, बट you should look at a very small profit here. Adani ports, Adani power sell call है, अब देखिए you can short it at this point. आपकी टारगेट्स रहेगी, फर्स्ट टारगेट S1 फर्स्ट टारगेट है, S2 सेकेंड टारगेट है और S3 थर्ड टारगेट है। So ALBK आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे it's already the call has got triggered. So अंबुजा सीमेंट अवॉइड कीजिए, क्योंकि दिस ब्राउन लाइन व्हाट वी हैव इज एन मूविंग एवरेज, ये बहुत बड़ा रेसिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट होती है। सो इन केस इफ यू वांट टू शॉर्ट अंबुजा सीमेंट यू कैन शॉर्ट इट एट 234.20। मैं ये देख के बता रहा हूँ, R1 देख के बता रहा हूँ, R1 लाइन। सो आंध्रा बैंक अगेन यू कैन शॉर्ट इट बिलो दिस लेवल 76.10 पे शॉर्ट कर सकते हो आप। मैं ये देख के बता रहा हूँ, ये लो कैंडल जो है रीसेंट लो, वो कैंडल, बट इट हैज टू क्रॉस द ब्राउन लाइन फर्स्ट। अरविंद आप यहाँ शॉर्ट कर सकते हो 252.80। Access up below this you can short, below this PP line 546. So Bank of Baroda will just wait, क्योंकि मैंने अभी बताया कि this will act as a very strong support and resistance. अगर ये ब्राउन लाइन ब्रेक होगी तो you can enter the trade. You can short it here 202.40. So बैंक निफ्टी का कॉल चल रहा है, you can short it at 17933. Bharat Forge you can short it below S3, that is 1230. So भारती एयरटेल मैंने ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट करके रखी हुई है। So 396.50. Now it is at 396.25. So BHL you can short it at this level 229.80. BPCL the same trend is continuing. It's absolutely flat. Kane India you can short it at this level 207.30. Can Bank you can short it below this 356.10. So these are some of the calls and you have just seen how the calls get generated. आपको ये यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कीजिए सेंचुरी टेक्सटाइल्स 63660। सो राइट साइड आपके जो प्राइसेस दिख रहे हैं ये फ्यूचर्स के प्राइसेस हैं। नीचे आपको टाइमलाइन मिलेगी। So CAC you can just see it has already triggered. Your next आपकी अगली टारगेट होगी 535 536। सिप्ला आपकी कॉल ट्रिगर हुई है। सो मेरा कॉम्बिनेशन है दोनों बाई और सेल कॉल्स। यहाँ पे सारे जो सेल कॉल्स मैंने डिसाइड की हुई है ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट्स में होगा। सो आपकी नेक्स्ट टारगेट है सिप्ला की 65680 है। Coal India I have a buy actually. You can just see that. My above is 376, so that's already triggered. That's BA. Federal Bank, we have a short. Our next target will be 130.70, 130.80. You can short it here, HDFC 976.40. हीरो मोटो मेरा बाई था इस लेवल पे 411 2411। Hindalco, you can see that I have shorted at a price of 142. Now it is at 140, 145. And that's in Petro. 597 is the short, 597.80. Now it is at 594.50.
There is a sell call in ADN IBNB1. There is a sell call in AUR There is a sell call in JUDLFOOD1. There is a sell call in SUMPHARA1.
So we have Sun Pharma, Cell, Jubilant Food, Ammyy Pharma, and Adani Enterprises.
There is a sell call in UWERGRID1.
Power Grid. Adani, I would not take this call unless it crosses this line, or else you can short it at this level, 687.60. They had a call in Aurobindo Pharma. You can short it at this level, 1332. So there your call gets triggered. I had a call in Jubilant Food. So you can short it below this 144, 1446, 30. So there your call gets triggered. So you can see Adani Enterprises here. That's Adani Ports, Adani Power. ALBK, once it breaks this down line, I think your target should be somewhere here 99. It should fall below 100 rupees. So it's very simple. It might look a bit tedious for you, but once you start using it, it will become very easy. You can actually define all your calls before the market opens, and then you can start placing your calls right from 9:15. So that needs a little bit of training, that you can have it unlimited. So if you have any doubts, you please type it in the chat box. आपको कोई डाउट्स है तो आप चैट बॉक्स पे टाइप कर दीजिए. Nifty already 100 points down. See, stop loss is very simple. The red line what you are seeing, the horizontal line आपको जो दिख रहा है वो horizontal all these prices are futures prices. It's not cash prices. Cash prices अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप cash market का data आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. आप कैश मार्केट पे भी काम कर सकते हो. अभी जो मैंने लगाया हुआ है वो फ्यूचर्स में है. So this red line is your trailing stop loss line. You can just see that for this particular sell call, आपकी stop loss है 240. जब ट्रेड नीचे जाती रहेगी शॉर्ट कॉल, ये ऑटोमेटिकली नीचे आता रहेगा. आपको सिर्फ वो नंबर फिगर लेना है और बदल देना है. आपको स्टॉप लॉस चेंज करनी पड़ेगी आपको. You can see that मुझे अभी आपको 240 पे है. एक 10 मिनट के बाद, एक 5 मिनट के बाद देखिए आपको ये नीचे आ जाएगी. नहीं तो आप दूसरी तरीका है स्टॉप लॉस लगाने का. अभी आप सोचिए कि आप इतना स्टॉप लॉस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो, लगभग 6 रुपया स्टॉप लॉस. तो आप एक काम कर सकते हो, ऑलरेडी आपका कॉल प्रॉफिट में है तो आपका ये रीसेंट कैंडल जो है उसका हाई देखिए सेल कॉल के लिए 236.40 जो है, 236.50 जो है, वहां पे लगा सकते हैं आप. सो आंध्रा बैंक कभी भी आपको प्रॉफिट बुक करना हो तो स्लाइटली अबोव S1 पे कीजिए, क्योंकि कॉल्स ऐसे रहते हैं, सबको मालूम है ये S1 S2 लेवल्स. तो आपको यहाँ पे आके टच करके चला जाएगा ऊपर. तो कभी भी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग स्लाइटली आप अबोव S1 और स्लाइटली बिलो R लेवल्स, रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स करना चाहिए. ये आपको यहाँ पे सेल कॉल आएगी अपोलो टायर्स की। सेम विथ एशियन पेंट। हमने शॉर्ट किया था 1332 पे यहाँ पे। So that's access. So we were talking about this Bank of Baroda. Once it crosses this brown line, we will get into the trade. And you're finding this R1, R2 levels. That's because we had this Bank of Baroda, a fantastic call yesterday, a buy call. It made around 20,000 rupees on one trade, one lot. So we have Bank of India. तो पैरामीटर आपकी मूविंग एवरेज है, इट एक्ट्स एज एन वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस। आपको जो कॉल्स यहाँ पे ब्राउन लाइन पे आते हैं तो यूजुअली हम अवॉइड करते हैं, क्योंकि वो एक बार एक ट्रेंड लेने के बाद आप कॉल लेंगे तो आपको 200 days moving average. So in case if you want to trade in positional, so you'll have to put it in 30 minutes. आपको 30 मिनट्स में ये शायद ये भारत फोर्स का सेल कॉल आ जाएगा आपको।
There is a sell call in ASIFTAIND1. There is a sell call in TCS1. There is a sell call in IOB1. There is a sell call in ACC1. There is a sell call in the ABACOMM1.
तो ये कुछ कॉल्स हैं, टाटा कॉम सेल, एसीसी सेल, आईओबी, टीसीएस, गेल और एशियन पेंट। एशियन पेंट का हमने देखा था, वी वर सपोज्ड टू गेट अ कॉल। सो एशियन पेंट आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हो यहाँ पे 760। एसीसी आप रुक जाइए, एक बार ट्रेंड लेने के बाद हम इस पे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं। डॉक्टर रेड्डीज का आज रिजल्ट्स हैं, सो आई थिंक इट्स मूविंग अपवर्ड्स, सो यू कैन बाय इट एट 3424, अबव 3424। So that's jubilant food. DLF का मेरा एक शॉट था, so this I think you should be getting a buy call on DLF. So when you have this multiple number of buy sell calls, usually what happens is you'll have to wait for the right call and then it will move up or down. It will take in single direction. Idea I had shorted at a price 171. Now it is at 170.45. SA is sell below, SB is sell below, BA is buy above. So 396.50 was my price. Now it is at 394.95. So Tata.com, you can short it below this price, 423.30. So all the calls that got generated are here. I think we have seen some of the calls. So L&T I had shorted, I'll tell you the price. I think it was 161, So 1614 was my sell. Now it is 1588. So PTC my sell was 6850. Let's just check that. So it's now 6730. JSW 902. Let's just check what's the price here. 896. So that is where I shorted 902.80. It's 897.30 now. So you can short ACC at 1460.
There is a buy call you've already won.
So I was talking about this buy.
There is a sell call in HCLTDCH1.
So I was talking about
There is a
this
sell call in RCOM1.
Dr. Reddy buy call. So you have that buy call. So it needs little bit of observation. You will be able to precisely tell when you will be getting a buy call. 3424 was the entry. So you just wait for 3424 and then you can execute the trade. See, whichever charts are open, the charts which you open, the calls will be generated only in that. So in case if you start, I think many people had this confusion. So you get so many calls at a single time. So what do you do? So it's my habit that I keep watching 70 or 80 scripts. I'm comfortable doing that, so I do it. अगर आपको तो लगे कि ये मुश्किल है, आप ये 10 या 20 या 30 या स्क्रिप्ट्स में काम करना चाहते हैं, बस वही खोलिए और उसी में ट्रेड कीजिए। बट यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग द स्क्रिप्ट्स एवरी डे। आप जो भी स्क्रिप्ट पे काम करना चाहते हो, यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग दैट एवरी डे आल्सो, बट यू विल गेट द कॉल्स जनरेटेड ओनली ऑन द charts which are open. So there goes Bank Nifty. Let me just give you a rough idea of what is the profit on this call. The saw point 2,500 rupees approximately. That is, you don't have to open. See, you don't have to open all the charts. You will have to open the charts which you want to trade on and on which you want the calls to get generated. If you want to open all the charts, there is no harm in doing it. You will get the calls for the charts which are open. So that's around 2,000 rupees in Ambuja. That will be the profit. The Y value is just multiplied in the lot size with your lot size. You will get the profits. So Hindalco is 159 now. So that's around 6,000 rupees profit. So in case if you want to trade in only the cash market, you can just subscribe only for that equity data here. So you'll be getting all the cash market prices, and then you can trade only on the cash market also. So I have some calls in pay trading. That is Tata Motors buy and AK Motors short. And Tata Motors DVR is a buy and Eicher Motor is again a short. TVS Motor is a buy and Eicher Motor is a short. So that's pair trading trades what I have. These two calls got generated today. ARB I had a short 232. Was here 230 20. 230.20 was my short. Sorry, I didn't. Now it is at 227. So in case if you want to trade in options, that is also very simple. I'll just take one particular trade. Let's say Adani Enterprises. I'll just take this trade. So आपको जो कॉल आई थी यहाँ पे वो स्ट्राइक प्राइस देख लीजिए आप 670 का स्ट्राइक है. सो जब आपको बाई कॉल आएगी तो आपको कॉल ऑप्शन बाई करनी पड़ेगी. जब सेल कॉल आएगी आपको पुट ऑप्शन बाई करनी पड़ेगी. स्ट्राइक प्राइस जो है आपका जो स्ट्राइक यहाँ पे प्राइस यहाँ ट्रिगर होता है 670. आप राइट साइड में देख सकते हो 670 स्ट्राइक है. और ये कॉल जनरेट हुआ था अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस का हमारे 8 तारीख को सुबह 9 मार्केट ओपन पे 9:20 पे. अब मैं इसका प्रॉफिट बताता हूँ मैं आपको. ये कॉल कल एंड तक, कल मार्केट क्लोजिंग तक मैं आपको ये प्रॉफिट बताता हूँ. अभी आप जाइए एनएसई साइट पे जाइए. सो आपके कॉल ऑप्शन की डेटा यहाँ मिल जाएगी आपको. तो मैं अभी ये चूज कर रहा हूँ स्टॉक ऑप्शंस, सिंबल अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस, ईयर 2015, एक्सपायरी आप 28/5 का ले लीजिए. ऑप्शन आपकी बाई कॉल है तो कॉल ऑप्शन लेंगे. मेरा स्ट्राइक प्राइस है 670. मैं 7 दिन का डेटा निकालता हूँ यहाँ पे. तो आपको कॉल आई थी 8 मई. I'll show you again. So that was on 8th May, that is opening of the market. और आपका कॉल एंड हुआ कल शाम को आई मीन कल मार्केट क्लोज पे, क्योंकि हाई था। आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे। तो यू हैव बॉट इट एट, प्राइस क्या है आपको ओपन हुआ था इस पे 2710 पे। 2710 इंटू 500 वो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट है। अराउंड 13,500 का इन्वेस्टमेंट है आपका, और कल क्लोज हुआ था 5090 पे। सो इट इज 27 माइनस 50, 23 रुपीज इंटू 500। सो 13,500 का इन्वेस्टमेंट था, और आपका प्रॉफिट था 11,500। सो 2 दिन का ट्रेड है, तो आप ऑप्शंस भी ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। ये एक कॉल ऑप्शन हो गया, मैं आपको एक पुट ऑप्शन दिखाता हूँ। आप इंट्राडे भी कर सकते हो वैसे, बट इंट्राडे करने के लिए आपको इससे अच्छा और एक एप्लीकेशन है, हमारा जो फ्यूचर स्ट्रीक एप्लीकेशन है, वो बहुत आसान होगी। Infosys, you can short it at below 1961, 1960. Yeah, we'll open commodities also. So let me just open the commodity charts. So let's take the backfill. Multiple logins in the sense I did not understand you. Can you please? I did not really get you. What do you mean by multiple logins? So these are the commodity gold and silver charts. So it was flat. It's almost flat. So whenever you get this multiple number of calls on this one, means that the trades are flat. So gold है gap up open. आप यहाँ बाई कर सकते हो 26955. No, that will not be possible. You mean multiple login IDs for a single application? That will not be possible. You'll have to use it on only one single system. So market has sort of become flat. Sorry, ma'am. Tata Chemicals, I don't have it in my portfolio because I
There is a sell call in WITR for one.
So we have a sell call in Wipro. Tata Chemicals usually the volumes is a problem, so I usually don't get into liquid scripts. So sometimes when there are some news, then it becomes very active. But otherwise, we don't have. I don't personally have Tata Chem. So Wipro, you can short it below this price, 538. So that's already started. So your first target will be this S2 level. That's also going to be done. Tata Steel we have already shorted. So that was my, I'll just show you what price I shorted. 376.60. I'll just open the chart for you. So I had short this in the morning at 376.60. So that is before the market opens, I decide all the prices. So now it is at 367. The next target will be this one, 366.40. And if it breaks this 365, the next will be S3 levels. Metals pack, most of the metal pack is in red. You can see that with Jindal or JSW. You can see Jindal. You can short it here again, 133.90. Same with JSW. That also we had a price of 902.80. It is 896 now. And you can even see Hindalco. So it's at 138. We short it at 142. Now it is at 138.50. So now you can actually see, I think Mr. Verma, you are asking about this trading stop loss. So we had the stop loss here at 240. Now it is at 238. It keeps following your trades. So Nifty is 146 points down. So you multiply 58 into 25, that will be the profit as of now in Nifty. This is in futures, the futures prices. You will get the pop-up in whichever charts are open. Now I have opened gold and silver. In case if there is a call, there will definitely be a pop-up. So we had this 3424 was the entry for Dr. Reddy. We were talking about that. Now it is at 3435. So Hero MotoCo is a buy. $2420 was the buy. Now it is at 2454. That's a profit in ICICI. Two 3020 was the short for this. Now it is at 225.55. So you can have R1, R2, S1, S2 as your target levels. That will be a first target, second target, or else you can keep trailing your stop losses. That will be a better way of trading. Or else S1 and S2, these levels are also perfect levels. It will just come near S1 and then it might bounce back also. So usually you should try to book your profits when it is a sell call slightly above your S1 level. You can see that in this case, IRB, you can just see that it has come till here, 225.16. 224.77 is the first target. Slightly book it above that in case if you want to really book the profit. Or else what you can do is, this trade is already in profit. So you got the trade here, the current level is here. So that's around 4,800 rupees is your profit. That's a very good profit when you compare it with your investment. So what is that you are investing in IRB for intraday trade is 3,619 rupees. Now you are making how much it is? Is it 4,800 rupees is your profit? That's double your investment. 100%, more than 100% returns. So this is how you can trade. Or else what you can actually do is you can keep trailing your stop losses instead of following this horizontal line, trailing stop loss line. You can put your stop loss here. You already made a profit. This is your strong support and resistance, the brown line. You can put your stop loss at 227. And in case if your trade breaks down below S1, then you can keep trailing your stop losses again. And with this kind of intraday margins, you can see that the trades what we had yesterday and on Friday. So ACC around 2,700 rupees is your investment. You get 3,000 rupees yesterday. That's more than 100%. Same thing with Adani Enterprises. It was a buy call. On Friday it was 8,000 rupees profit. And yesterday it was around 5,500. So this kind of intraday margins, and in case if you're making at least 30-40% returns, that's very good returns. So you'll have to In case if you don't have a trading terminal, I will find it very difficult to switch on my trading terminal on this system because I am using 70 or 80% of my CPU. And in case if I open Odin, I have Odin here. I'm not running on this system. My CPU usage will be 100%. I won't be able to work. So you should have some technical. You should plan it technically also. You should know what is the system load that your system can take, and then you should open the applications. So it's Bank of India. You can just check the profit here. So that's around 2,800 rupees profit. What is your investment here? Around 3,300 is your investment. That is your profit for today. So that's another 80 points down on Bank Nifty. That's 5,500 on Canara Bank till now. So your investment is around 5,800. It's nearly 100%. So L&T our short was 1614. It's 1579 now. So REC we had a shot at 297.50. Now it is at 290, 290.50. So that's roughly around 7 rupees, 7,000 rupees. So you can see syndicate back. I'll just show you the chart. So 106 was the entry for us here. Now it is at 103.80. You can place the stop loss along with the order, or else you can place the order and then you can even place the stop loss after that also. That depends on the trading terminal, not on the broker. It's Adani Power. It's around 2,000 rupees profit. 2,700 is your investment. So IRB has again come down till 223. It's 6,600 rupees now. Yeah, this is, see, we are a sub-broker for a Bhopal-based company. They offer very good intraday margins. So these are the margins for intraday, provided you square off all the trades at before 320. So usually we don't trade till 320. Now, in case if we can just see what's happening today, we are not even 2 hours from market open. I think you should have more than 50,000 rupees profit on these trades now. So, or else, in case if you are not squaring it off, the RMU there will square it off. So, intraday margins are really good, and your carryover margins they charge only 7.5%. Charge only the
There
span
is a sell
margin.
call in ATOLLOTYRE1.
So, upper tier we were expecting this call, sell call.
There is a sell call in TECHM1.
Okay, Tech Mahindra. Almost, I think all the trades are in negative. So this you can short it here, 165.50. Better avoid this until unless it makes a crossover. It crosses this brown line. So we'll just wait on that. So it's 4,000 rupees on Ambuja now. So your investment is 3,600. So that's more than 100% returns. So it's a gap up open. The prices have fallen down. So that is your entry 26955, which did not get triggered. You should be getting a sell call, and then you can take the sell call. So I'll just be closing this webinar in another 15 minutes. So in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. I have recorded this video, so you'll be able to view the calls and the open what we had Nifty open right from 9:10. And you can watch all our videos on YouTube. There should be around 6,000 videos from past 3 to 4 years. You'll be able to view all those. I will send you the link for that. And after some time, I'll again post the video on profits, and that is a profit on each call. You'll be able to even view that also. So Hiromoto Corp has done its R2 levels. Dr. Reddy is at 3448. 3224 was the entry. So 1580 on LNT. 1614 was the entry. I won't be able to tell you any technical information, Mr. Deepak. So we are giving it as an application. So you'll have to take it as an application only. So there are many indicators inside this which I won't be able to give. I won't be able to give all those details. So seems like there is a slight upward movement in the market. So I think it's better to close all these short calls. So with that, I will just even close the webinar also. And in case if you want to have any more details, you can call me on this number, or you can mail me on this ID. And in case if you want to open a trading account, again you can give me a call on this number. So this is not web-based application. We use web-based, but it's a desktop application that will be installed on your system. It is server-based, but it's a desktop application. So you'll be able to, once you have the application, you'll be able to know what is the price at which you will have to buy and sell before the market opens. And then you can start placing your trades at, right from 9:15. So usually what happens is people, once the market opens, they'll be looking for a trend. So we'll do the installation. We'll do all the installation. Once you subscribe it, you don't have to worry about that. So we'll be doing the installation. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to just subscribe for it, and then the rest of the thing we will do it, and we will train you how to use it. So for at least 1 week, you just do some paper trading. And once you're confident that you can trade, then you start trading with your real account. Okay, thank you. Thanks for coming. So you have this. See, on a mobile it will be difficult because again you should be having a Windows-based mobile because this is Windows-based application. So instead of having a mobile, I think you can look at a tab. I think we are getting Lenovo tabs with voice. It works pretty fine on that because we also use that. It costs you somewhere around 9,000 or 10,000 rupees, and it is 3G enabled, so it will fit into that tab. So instead of buying a high-end mobile, you can as well go and look at a tab. Lenovo, I think they have released recently, so you can use that. So thanks for coming, and if you have any other queries, you can just call me, or else you can just mail me, and I'll be on Facebook. So you can even ping me on Facebook also, and I'll be posting this video again, and I'll even be recording the video again after some time for the profits and losses, whatever. So you can even give that also. So thanks for coming. See, this is not free, Mr. Samir. This is going to cost you. So it's not like a free application where you can download and then you can use it. So we have some subscription charges. So we'll have to pay that, and then only we'll install it on whichever hardware what you have. Okay, thank you then. Bye.